Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Open the hatch. On the pull handle here, I'm going to remove this plastic cap using the plastic trim tool. Use a 10mm socket extension and a ratchet to remove this bolt. Take the grab handle out. Reinstall the pull handle, set the bolt through the metal bracket, 10mm socket. Tighten it. Reinstall the plastic cap. And the pull handle is reinstalled.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.